Cognet is all about the autonomic network management of infrastructure that's going to cater for the 5G network. The three key points of Cognet to date is that we're utilising machine learning in order to identify problems in the network. This is achieved by the use of both network and non-network data, where the machine learning will analyse these data in order to produce insights into the current state of the network and also to generate predictions about the future state of the network. The Cognet architecture is utilising the NFV framework from ETSI, and what we're doing is using machine learning to retrieve information from the NFV modules, devices within the virtualized infrastructure, collect this data, analyze it, and then hopefully to produce insights that we can create actions upon or execute actions upon. We use the autonomic MAPE autonomic loop, which is monitor, analyze, plan and execute. So within monitor we use agents within the infrastructure to pull or to extract out metric data. This data then goes into our analyze portion of the loop, where we apply it to machine learning in order to determine if the network is compliant with what is expected from the network. And then the last section in the execute part of the loop is to actually execute those actions that are determined to be required in order to bring the network back to the required state that it's not in. So, some of the achievements that Cognet can bring to both society and industry today is resource usage. Cognet's intention is to be able to predict what future resource usage is required within the network. Because we're guaranteeing a certain level of quality of service for each of the users on the network, this means that operators can now identify and create new business models that they'll be able to pass on to their clients, thereby giving them more access to businesses that they may not previously have been able to access. A significant bit of effort has been put into the security aspect of the 5G network, and one of the things we're looking at is to try and rapidly identify any malicious activity that's occurring on the network, with the view to either banishing those rogue users or hacked devices on the network, or even taking their traffic patterns and isolating them for analysis that can feed back into the cybersecurity approach that will be used within the network operators themselves. Some of the common 5G PPP results that we've had with other projects and collaborations. Just yesterday we held our second network management workshop with another one of the phase 1 projects, which was SelfNet. This is the second time we've had a workshop with that partner, and it allows us to collaborate around the information that we've determined to date, and also gives us a good direction about the future trajectory of the projects. The collaboration allows us to work on a unified approach to be able to not only disseminate but also to the final results of the project. Our industrial partners have all indicated that they're planning to use aspects of Cognet in their own industries. The fact that the dynamic policy generation can be applied and extended to any telecom operator gives them vast opportunities in those areas to be able to bring it into their own infrastructures and to bring it to further commercialisation.